front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can resize icons on this device. First of all, hold your device's display. Now you need to click on this gear icon at the bottom right corner, choose more, click on icon size over here and swipe left or right in order to adjust it. When you're ready, go back and click on this check mark at the top right corner. As you can see, after that, size of my icons has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!